Majestic Mandarin duck, a vision of splendor. The mandarin duck, a sight to behold, graces the waterways of East Asia with its vibrant presence. This medium-sized duck, slightly smaller than a mallard, captivates the observer with its striking appearance and intricate patterns. A symbol of love, fidelity, and good fortune in many cultures, the mandarin duck holds a special place in the tapestry of the natural world. The male mandarin duck is renowned for its flamboyant breeding plumage, a dazzling display of color and artistry. From the iridescent greens and blues of its head to the rich chestnut and white of its body, every feather seems meticulously painted. The female, while more subdued in coloration, exhibits an understated elegance with her mottled brown plumage and distinct white eye ring. Beyond its captivating beauty, the mandarin duck plays a crucial role in its ecosystem. As a dabbling duck, it feeds on a variety of aquatic plants, seeds, and small invertebrates. Their presence contributes to the health and biodiversity of the wetlands and woodlands they inhabit. A tapestry of colors deciphering nature's palette. The male mandarin duck's plumage is a masterpiece of natural selection, a testament to the power of visual communication in the animal kingdom. Each element of its intricate design serves a specific purpose, primarily to attract a mate. The iridescent green and blue head feathers, for instance, shimmer and change color with the angle of light, creating a mesmerizing display. The prominent sail feathers on the back, a unique feature of the male, add to its visual allure. These elongated feathers, often tipped with white, stand erect during courtship displays, further emphasizing the male's size and vigor. The female, while less flamboyantly attired, possesses a subtle beauty that blends seamlessly with her surroundings. This camouflage is essential for her survival, particularly during nesting season when she is responsible for incubating the eggs. The mandarin duck's coloration, therefore, is not merely an aesthetic marvel but a reflection of its ecological role and evolutionary history. The dance of courtship, a spectacle of avian romance. The mandarin duck's courtship rituals are as elaborate and captivating as their plumage. As winter transitions into spring, the males begin their elaborate displays, vying for the attention of potential mates. With a combination of head bobbing, whistling calls, and synchronized swimming, they showcase their vitality and genetic fitness. The male's iridescent feathers gleam in the sunlight as he circles the female, his movements precise and deliberate. The female, initially coy and observant, gradually responds to the male's advances. The pair engages in mutual preening, strengthening their bond through gentle nibbles and feather caresses. Once a pair bond is formed, the mandarin ducks remain monogamous throughout the breeding season, a testament to their fidelity. This devotion is a stark contrast to the promiscuous behavior often observed in other duck species, highlighting the unique social dynamics of these captivating birds. From wetlands to woodlands, navigating diverse habitats. Mandarin ducks exhibit a preference for freshwater habitats, particularly those with dense vegetation and overhanging trees. Their distribution ranges from the southeastern regions of Russia through China, Korea, and Japan. These ducks are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of wetland environments. Slow-moving rivers, marshes, lakes, and flooded forests all provide suitable habitat for these birds. They are particularly fond of areas with an abundance of submerged vegetation, which provides both food and cover from predators. During the breeding season, mandarin ducks seek out cavities in trees, often utilizing abandoned woodpecker holes. These cavities provide a safe and secluded location for nesting and raising their young. The availability of suitable nesting sites is a crucial factor influencing the distribution and breeding success of mandarin duck populations. A delicate balance for mandarin duck. The mandarin duck in the ecosystem. As an integral part of their ecosystem, mandarin ducks play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. Their feeding habits, for instance, contribute to the regulation of aquatic plant populations. By consuming seeds and invertebrates, they also help to control pest populations and prevent outbreaks that could disrupt the delicate balance of their habitats. The presence of mandarin ducks serves as an indicator of ecosystem health. Their sensitivity to environmental changes, such as pollution and habitat loss, makes them valuable bioindicators. Declines in mandarin duck populations can signal broader ecological degradation, prompting conservation efforts to address the underlying issues. Furthermore, their droppings contribute nutrients to the water and surrounding vegetation, enriching the ecosystem and supporting a diverse range of organisms. The mandarin duck, therefore, exemplifies the interconnectedness of species within a habitat and the importance of preserving biodiversity. Symbolic resonance, cultural significance through the ages. Beyond their ecological importance, mandarin ducks hold profound cultural significance in East Asian societies. For centuries, these birds have been revered as symbols of love, fidelity, and marital bliss. Their striking beauty and monogamous nature have inspired countless works of art, literature, and folklore. In China, for instance, mandarin ducks are often depicted in traditional paintings and carvings, symbolizing enduring love and a harmonious union. They are frequently featured in wedding ceremonies and decorations, embodying the hope for a long and happy marriage. The mandarin duck's cultural significance transcends geographical boundaries. Their image has been embraced by various cultures, often representing similar themes of love, devotion, and good fortune. This enduring symbolism highlights the profound connection between humans and the natural world, where animals can embody cherished values and aspirations. Mandarin duck's auspicious omens. The mandarin duck in Asian folklore. The mandarin duck features prominently in Asian folklore, often as a harbinger of good luck, prosperity, and marital harmony. Legends abound with tales of these birds reuniting separated lovers, bringing wealth to the deserving, and blessing couples with many children. In some cultures, it is believed that witnessing a pair of mandarin ducks together is a sign of impending good fortune. Their image is often incorporated into amulets, charms, and decorative items, believed to attract love, luck, and happiness. These beliefs, passed down through generations, reflect the profound respect and admiration that many Asian cultures hold for these birds. The mandarin duck, therefore, is not merely a creature of the wild. It is interwoven into the fabric of cultural beliefs and traditions, embodying cherished values and aspirations. This deep-rooted symbolism underscores the importance of understanding and appreciating the cultural significance of wildlife conservation. Despite their cultural significance and ecological importance, mandarin duck populations face a multitude of threats, primarily driven by human activities. Habitat loss and degradation, driven by deforestation, wetland drainage, and pollution, pose significant challenges to their survival. As human populations expand and encroach upon natural habitats, the availability of suitable nesting sites and foraging grounds dwindles. Pollution from agricultural runoff, industrial discharge, and urban development further degrades water quality, impacting the health of aquatic ecosystems and the species that rely on them. Climate change adds another layer of complexity, altering precipitation patterns, increasing the frequency of extreme weather events, and shifting the distribution of suitable habitats. These changes can disrupt breeding cycles, reduce food availability, and increase the vulnerability of mandarin duck populations to diseases and parasites. Addressing these threats requires a multifaceted approach that prioritizes habitat conservation, pollution control, and climate change mitigation. Recognizing the threats facing mandarin ducks, conservation organizations and governments across their range are implementing measures to protect these iconic birds. Efforts focus on habitat restoration, captive breeding programs, and raising public awareness about the importance of conservation. Protecting and restoring wetlands, for instance, is crucial for ensuring the availability of suitable breeding and foraging grounds. This includes measures to prevent further drainage, reduce pollution from agricultural runoff, and restore degraded habitats to their natural state. Captive breeding programs play a vital role in supplementing wild populations and reintroducing mandarin ducks to areas where they have disappeared. These programs also provide valuable opportunities for research and education, enhancing our understanding of the species' biology, behavior, and conservation needs. Public awareness campaigns aim to educate communities about the importance of mandarin ducks, the threats they face, and how individuals can contribute to their conservation. The future of the mandarin duck, like many other species, hinges on our collective commitment to conservation. By recognizing the interconnectedness of human actions and environmental health, we can make informed choices that promote sustainability and protect biodiversity. Supporting conservation organizations, advocating for policies that prioritize environmental protection, and reducing our ecological footprint are all tangible steps we can take. Educating future generations about the importance of biodiversity and inspiring a sense of wonder and respect for the natural world is paramount. By fostering a sense of stewardship for our planet, we can ensure that future generations have the opportunity to marvel at the beauty of the Mandarin duck and the countless other species that enrich our world. The Mandarin duck, with its vibrant plumage and symbolic resonance, serves as a poignant reminder of the beauty and fragility of the natural world. Its fate is intertwined with our own, urging us to embrace our role as stewards of the planet and to work towards a future where both nature and humanity can thrive. The story of the Mandarin duck is not merely a tale of vibrant colors and cultural significance, it is a call to action, urging us to recognize the profound impact of our choices on the natural world. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, it is imperative that we prioritize environmental stewardship and embrace our responsibility to protect the planet's biodiversity. Each individual has the power to make a difference, whether through supporting conservation efforts, reducing their ecological footprint, or advocating for policies that promote sustainability. Let the Mandarin duck, with its captivating beauty and cultural significance, serve as a constant reminder of the wonders we stand to lose and the importance of preserving nature's masterpieces for generations to come. By embracing our role as stewards of the planet, we can ensure that the vibrant tapestry of life, woven with threads of color, culture, and ecological interconnectedness, continues to grace our world for generations to come. The time to act is now, for the sake of the Mandarin duck, for the health of our planet, and for the future of humanity.